how to change Facebook username. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Facebook application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon along with the three-line icon from the upper right corner. Again, at the same section, you will get a gear icon. Tap on there. That will take you to settings and privacy page. Here, scroll down all the way to the end and tap on account center. Here, tap on profiles. Again, tap on your profile. Once you get to your profile, you will get a few options as name, username, profile picture or avatar. So tap on username. Select tap again on username. If you have already added your username, you can simply change your username. If not, you can also add new username to your Facebook. So type in the username that's available. After you're done typing in a username, tap on done button and your username will be added or changed to your Facebook account. And that's how you change Facebook username. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.